So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Winter is in full swing. It is. It is cold, snowy, and more on the way. Today we've been getting a bunch of snow squalls. Nothing too crazy. We'll probably only end up with a couple inches. But later this week, into the weekend, I think they're calling for maybe a substantial snowfall. We'll have to see how it shakes out. But anyway, I'm going to attempt to cut and split a year's supply of firewood later this afternoon. I'm not sure if we'll get it done or not. Kind of depends on a lot of things, but I got to jump on things on my way out here. I gathered up some logs laying beside the road, but I've got piles of wood everywhere, and what I want to do this afternoon is pull some of those out near the road. I'll cut them down to maybe 12 or 14 feet and then carry them down to the firewood processor. I'd like to get about 4 cords done this afternoon. If everything was down at the wood yard, it would be very easy to do, but with them being scattered all about, we'll just have to see how it goes. And first, I need to go on a lunch date. Not just any lunch date. Today is Melissa's birthday, and her and Hannah, they've got all the grandkids, and I'm gonna go meet them for lunch. I'll probably get back around 2 o'clock, so that'll give me about 3 hours to see what we can get done. And after a good lunch, I may come back and sit by the fire. We'll have to see. Oh, it's a snowy one. All right, I just got back to the house. Man, did we have some snow squalls. High winds, poor visibility, but the sun is out now. But it's almost 2:30, so I am not gonna get a year's worth of firewood cut and split in one day, but we should get at least 3 or 4 cords taken back over. We'll set it by the processor and run it through tomorrow morning. All right, I cut a few of these to length, cut a few of the crooks out of them, that kind of stuff. Even that log right there, it's kind of squirrely, but I can feed it through the processor, no trouble. I'm gonna have a mix of short ones, long ones. Little ones like this one here. But it'll all make nice firewood. All right, I gotta walk out and get my truck. I got the processor warming up down there. It is really cold. Temperature has been dropping all afternoon. I'm not even sure what it is, probably 14 or 15 degrees at most. You got the squeaky snow, you know it's cold. Well, that is not a year's worth of firewood right there. I had a few issues, but I think I got it figured out. Number one, this belt right here, I had it up higher and it was getting some ice on it and it wasn't taking the wood away. So I lowered that down a little bit and that fixed that. But the biggest problem, I'm gonna try to zoom in here a little bit. You see on the other side of the tumbler, that chute that comes down off the conveyor into the tumbler, it had a little bit of debris on there, ice and snow, and the wood was not sliding into the tumbler, so it was backing up in there. So I got to get that ice off of there, and then I'll work on that tomorrow. It's I don't know, you'd think with ice it would slide off, but there's some chips and debris mixed in with it, and it's catching that wood. So I need to work a few bugs out of it for the winter operation, but at least I got some wood over here to the yard, and I've only been at this about 2.5 hours so far, so not too shabby. So Melissa's packing up some fire starter. Now, remember before we would do the golden ticket, so we'd put like 3 golden tickets, one in a box of 10, one in a box of 5, and one in the 2 for 25. Well, what was your idea this time, Melissa?
It's going to be fun to just stick a license plate in an occasional box.
So every once in a while, we pack a license plate. Then in some of them, we're going to put
some stickers.
Maybe some stickers. And in some, we're even going to put a pair of Camel City Mill socks in there. So it's not going to be in every box. We would go.
So the people that are barefoot.
How do you do that with your foot?
My toes, they're like fingers. That's kind of creepy.
Yeah. So what we're saying is, not in every box.
Right.
But
an
we're going to
occasional.
have a
so
license.
Instead of the golden ticket, you're going to get a OWTM, the Outdoors with the Morgans license plate, or some stickers, or an occasional pair of socks.
Yeah, Camel City. You need a pair of socks, Melissa. It's cold out there.
I have furry boots on. I just pulled my foot out of my boots.
Huh. Okay.
Yeah.
So what else you got on your head there?
Oh, these are some nice hats.
Show them how they're going to come
They're
shipped.
going to come to you in a nice bag with a little card for the care. So here we have our logo, Outdoors with the Morgans. I love these. These are nice and thick. I'll take it off. I have hat head. But look, they stretch. They'll fit any size head probably. And they're good for women that want to hide their gray. So see my gray coming in? This is good. See?
And it keeps your head warm as well.
I can wear it all day.
So what do you call it? I call it a tassel cap.
Yeah, I call it a tassel cap.
Some people call them toboggans.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
To me, a toboggan's a sled.
Yeah, but we're calling it a tassel cap with the outdoors.
What are some other names that you call these? I just call it a winter hat, a tassel cap. This one's missing the tassels. No, there's no tassels on them, so these don't come with tassels, but I still call them a tassel cap.
And so they're going to come
a knit cap,
obviously in a shipping bag, but also in this bag with a little thank you card.
Yes. Yeah.
Those will be on the website along with the fire starter. And this is the last call for fire starter for a little while at least.
Okay.
So if you need it,
Got it.
now's the time to stock up. And I find February, March is when you use more of it because you're starting more fires.
I agree.
This time of year when it's real cold, I'm burning nonstop.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
And also, depending on where you live, you're moving your fire outdoors.
Yeah.
So, you still are going to need it. We sell a lot through the spring and summer as well.
So what
for
else you
people
got?
that are camping. We've got some hoodies with our Lego logo. We've got gray, green, and orange. And this logo looks so cool on the orange and the green. And here we have the gray, but yeah.
Yeah, so on the website, there'll be a link in the description.
It's a hoodie, so there's a hood.
Pinned comment as well. There's going to be fire starter. It's not going to be available for a while. So every time we sell out a fire starter, it could be on the website for a week, and the next day we'll get 10 back in stock requests.
I know.
So this is the chance right now. Fire starter, hats, tassel caps I'm calling it, even though it doesn't have a tassel.
It'll just say knit
and
hat.
hoodies.
Hoodie.
And just to clarify, like we said, randomly we're putting stickers or a license plate or a pair of Camel City Mill socks in the orders. They're not going to be in every single box.
It's going to replace the golden ticket idea.
Well,
so,
there'll be more of them because the golden tickets we only did 3.
Let's hope you get one, but don't email us and tell us you didn't get one because it's a surprise. It's just random.
Yeah, it's not going to be in every one.
Yeah, if you didn't get one. But
email us if you got one. And you know what else? Send us a picture, like of your license plate, your fire starter, whatever.
Or send us a picture with your hat on, your tassel cap, knit hat. What do you call it? I want to know.
So I think that's it. We got that covered.
Yeah.
What else is new? Melissa celebrated her birthday the other day.
I had a great birthday. Thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. A lot of people went to our social media or follow us on Facebook. And if you don't, go to Facebook and type in Outdoors with the Morgans, and you're going to see Mike and I together. And I'm going to have a cowboy hat on like I do in our regular picture for YouTube. Any other profile pictures? They're not us. So there's a lot of them out there. But go to Outdoors with Morgans, give us a follow, and then scroll. You'll see there's a loving picture of Mike and I arm in arm for my birthday.
Yeah.
I think that alone was a birthday surprise.
How about the birthday lunch yesterday?
Yeah, we took the grandkids to lunch. I had such a fun day. We laughed so hard. Those kids are hilarious. And just like everyone that has grandkids say, they're the best part of being an adult. The best part of being an adult is having grandkids. But they make me laugh and feel good. And you know what? It warms your heart because they're like the dogs. They're always happy to see me. They're happy to see Mike.
And it was funny when we were leaving, Hannah asked, she goes, do you guys want to go out tonight? She could come over and stay with Hunter. And Melissa and I are like, no, we already went out once today.
No, I'm done. I'm going home and getting my jammies on.
Yeah.
Which I pretty much did. We had dinner. I made dinner and we had a nice dinner. We watched a football game. Woo!
Indiana.
Good job, Indiana.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like the Cinderella story. Love it. So we did that.
Yep. So anyway, hoodies, hat, fire starter.
On the
Last
website.
call for fire starter for a while.
For a while. Sounds good.
Check it out.
All right, it's a cold one today. It's up to about 12 degrees, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This morning it was 0, but I need to hook up to a trailer here because tomorrow, taking a side-by-side for some serious upgrades. Ooh, the backup camera, a little difficult to see. Everything's covered in grime, salt.
right, I got the Defender all loaded up, ready to go. I'll be hitting the road probably about 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Hopefully, it stays nice and cold like this. I think it's supposed to. There's nothing worse than hauling something on a trailer when the roads are wet and salt covered. And if that happens, I'll just have to clean it off on the way back. But yeah, got her all strapped down, good to go. Well, I think that's about it for today's video. I appreciate y'all being here. Sign up for our newsletter. Go to outdoorswiththemorgans.com to do that. Subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, last call for fire starter. I may mention it one more time. Hats, hoodies, link in the description, pin comment as well. Appreciate you being here. Catch you on the next one.